Hello friends, keeping your Samsung Galaxy device updated ensures you receive the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Samsung regularly releases One UI updates to improve the user experience and device stability. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and locate the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen, in the app drawer, or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you see Software Update. Tap on it to access Samsung's update options. Step 3. Select Download and Install. Your phone will connect to Samsung servers and check whether a newer version of One UI is available for your device. Step 4. If an update is available, tap Download. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and sufficient battery power, preferably above 50% before starting the download process. Step 5. After the download is complete, tap Install Now or Restart Now. Your device will reboot and begin installing the update. This process may take several minutes depending on the update size. Step 6. Once installation is finished, your phone will restart automatically. You can then continue using your device with the latest features and improvements. I have already installed the latest version, Samsung One UI 8.5, and I'm enjoying the new features, enhanced performance, improved security, smoother animations, and overall better user experience. If your device is also running One UI 8.5, you are already using the newest available version and do not need to install another update unless Samsung releases a newer version in the future.